Good afternoon, everyone. Good afternoon, sir. I am Janine Garcia. I am here to discuss the national program in the Philippines. The first national program is the Philippine Plan for Gender-Responsive Development in 1995 to 2025. Is the overall frame that is also the point of reference for the discussion and monitoring of gender mainstreaming. The second national program is the Gender and Development Project, or GAD. Is the integral to the national plan. It is aimed at institutionalizing gender concern in the mainstream development process and agenda and not just peripheral programs and projects of the government. The third national program is the Framework Plan for Women, or EPW, is part of the Philippines Plan for Women developed to focus on three thrusts, namely promoting women economic empowerment, advance and protect human rights, and promote gender-responsive governance. The fourth national program is Women's Rights to Participate, is granted in 1937. Women's rights to vote and participate are maintained and further protected by existing laws at hand. The fifth national program is the Women Involvement in Civil Society called through organizing along gender-specific issues and formation of all women groups within Broad Coalition as power-enhancing mechanism. The last national program is the Woman in Education, is women's larger responsibility for housework and for the family impedes their ability to use their educational training and skill for remunerative work. So that's all. Thank you.